and delicious spot. Where is Lion? He must be outside looking for rat. Yes, he's looking for rat in delicious spot. Kunin, continue delicious spot na. It's you! Come here now! Come here! Come here! The delicious spot is waiting for you! Delicious spot! Datang ini tikalum di sini. Wow, what are you doing? You already eaten delicious spot. So I'm gonna get your anak. I'm gonna get your anak.
Ngasih ka, di anak mo ti ko feeling close.
Manjan. Let's go with you. Pusing yeah. Come here now. Sige ka mo din yung mama mo mabaw. Kawa, masyado ka ng cute. Mother. Mother, ugly. What is that? Mother, we cannot get milk. You have eaten delicious spot yet.
Adaktoy ako Brownie, yung sakit higuti ma.
Pitiguti miss you. Oh yeah, who are you? I am a Komodo dragon. Mother, there's no milk. Produce more milk, Mother. Produce more milk. Produce more milk for us. I'm sorry, darling. I cannot. I am hungry. Yeah, Brownie, you have already eaten delicious food. Kuning, what are you doing in there? You're cleaning your paw. Kuning, come here now. Sleep now. Sleep. Ew. Wow. Kuning, you know.